Hello students, in my previous video I will describe about heat, temperature, specific heat capacity and calorimetry. Today in this video we discuss about thermometer. Heat and temperature is the name of topic. Previously we discussed about different terms related to heat and temperature. Today in this video we discuss about thermometer. Our heat energy can be measured by the instrument called thermometer and about various types of thermometer. At first, the device or instrument also we can add an or the both. An instrument used to measure temperature of the body is called thermometer. Thermometer is made up of cylindrical glass, or also it is called glass tube, which remains connected to the thin bulb or glass tube made up of, here given that, thin wall that remains filled by liquid, which is known as bulb of thermometer. After that, fine capillaries elongated inside the glass tube, through which liquid present inside the thermometer can flow easily, and it contains graduation on its stem, or that graduation in different type of thermometer are different here. And here we write stem and bulb are the main two components, and third substance present inside the thermometer is thermometric liquid. And temperature mentioned on thermometer is of different type, like a degree Celsius also present in one side of that thermometer, and some thermometer measure in Fahrenheit, like that. And here the liquid bulb of thermometer is made up of thin layered glass to transmit heat. Heat to the thermometric liquid, and generally here steam is made up of prismatic. To observe calibration found in steam of thermometer. And previously we discussed that here thermometric liquid or the liquid used inside the bulb of thermometer is called thermometric liquid. The liquid used inside the bulb of thermometer is called thermometric liquid. And which type of substance are used in thermometric liquid? Like properties of thermometric liquid. Listen. All liquid can't be used as a thermometric liquid because the liquid substance which possesses these properties only can be used as a thermometric liquid, and if these are here, it should be conductor of heat. Listen, it should conduct heat. Other here, uniform rate of expansion and contraction due to change in temperature. When we give heat energy to the bulb of thermometer, then the liquid present inside it should conduct heat energy. Its volume should be increased by increase of temperature, and volume should be decreased by decreasing temperature, that is highly sensitive to heat, and uniform rate of expansion and contraction. Other property, it should not wet the wall of a glass, or it should not stick with the glass of here, with the wall of a glass, otherwise gives incorrect measurement of time. And mainly here, example of thermometric liquids are here, or it should be bright in color, such that easy to observe from outside. An example of thermometric liquid, mercury used as a thermometric liquid, alcohol used as a, mainly these two substances are used as a thermometric liquid in ordinary thermometer. And like a high temperature thermometer, nitrogen gas is used. In a digital thermometer, resistor used as a to show the measurement of temperature. And here these two substances are mainly called thermometric liquid, mercury and alcohol. In previous video already we discussed that here properties of mercury and alcohol. These property, like it is bright liquid, uniform rate of expansion and contraction, freezing point is minus 39 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 357 degrees Celsius, should not wet the wall of stick with the wall of cylinder, and hence used as a mercury used as a thermometric liquid. And also we discussed that it is preferred in hot region because measure temperature up to minus 30 degrees Celsius and can measure the temperature of boiling water also, because water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and it can measure temperature up to 357 degrees Celsius. Alcohol is another type of thermometric liquid. It shows also uniform rate of expansion, contraction, can be colored into various color, should not wet the wall of your glass tube. And also listen here, its freezing point is minus 78, minus 115 or 17 to 78 degrees Celsius. That is, it can measure lowest temperature up to minus 115, therefore preferred in cold region and can't be used to measure the temperature of boiling water. And today we discuss about types of thermometer. And here mainly we discuss about three types of thermometer like a clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of warm blooded like a human body and other mammals. And here we write the thermometer used to measure temperature of human body is called clinical thermometer. Listen. And main features of clinical thermometer are here. When we draw the simple structure of clinical thermometer, then it contains bulb like ordinary thermometer, thermometric liquid, and then here calibration or graduation is found on the steam. And when heat energy given, it remains filled by mercury. And most important character is here, it contains constriction near the bulb. That constriction help to or also we can write clink. And here common characteristic of clinical thermometer that we discuss here. It measures temperature between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius only. It means what? Our body temperature vary between the 35 to 42. Other is here, it has constriction near the bulb to prevent from backflow of mercury and help to take correct measurement of temperature. To prevent from backflow of mercury in the bulb. And therefore every time before using clinical thermometer we should jerk downward to collect mercury in the bulb, and due to expansion of mercury it reaches to certain level which is called measurement of temperature of the human body or body. After that, next type of thermometer is here laboratory thermometer. Mainly clinical thermometer contains mercury as thermometric liquid. It helps to take measurement, or mercury is bright metal, therefore easy to measure or observe the level of mercury in the tube. And laboratory thermometer is used for here to measure atmospheric temperature or room temperature. And here we write the thermometer used to measure temperature of room or atmosphere is called laboratory thermometer. And main characteristic of that laboratory thermometer is it is cylindrical and longer in shape, and it is longer than clinical thermometer. And main characteristic is here it is longer and cylindrical in structure. May contains alcohol or mercury as a thermometric liquid. Measure temperature. It can measure temperature between -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. On that condition, listen here, mercury is suitable to use in your laboratory thermometer. Other we can write next property is here having lack of constriction, because it is used to measure atmospheric temperature and therefore no need of constriction. Always it gives the accurate measurement of your atmospheric temperature. And the third type of thermometer is here maximum minimum thermometer. Listen. That maximum minimum thermometer or the thermometer used to it measure the maximum and minimum temperature of the day at same time. Therefore called maximum and minimum thermometer or maxima minima thermometer. The thermometer used to measure maximum and minimum temperature of the day at same time is called maxima minima thermometer. Listen, that maxima minima thermometer is U-shaped thermometer. Its shape is U-like, and listen, that remains filled by thermometric substance, that is alcohol. Alcohol is used as a thermometric. On both sides, the tip contains certain level of mercury only. Mercury, but alcohol acts like a thermometric liquid. Why? Because it contains a steel pointer. A steel pointer. And then listen here, in one side it measure maximum temperature like a 20, 10, 0, -10, -20 like that. In another side it measure maximum temperature like a 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0, -10, minus, like in one side it goes in negative. And During the daytime, it gives, listen here, maximum temperature at the day and corresponding measurement of temperature to the minimum side. Here it is called, it gives minimum measurement, and here it gives maximum measurement of time, temperature here. Maximum measurement and minimum. Suppose here maximum temperature we got 40 degrees Celsius. Then corresponding to it here, suppose minimum is 5 degrees Celsius. That is called function of maximum minimum thermometer, and it is used for meteorological research like weather forecasting. Yes. Due at the end of news, what we hear that here maximum temperature and minimum temperature of the day, and these two temperature measured are at same time by using maxima minima thermometer. More about the problem related to heat and temperature that we discuss in the next video, and here we short describe about digital thermometer. That digital thermometer is modern thermometer, and it is used to measure body temperature as a clinical thermometer. And how it measure the temperature? It contains thermal scanner like resistor called platinum resistor. Used to measure temperature. That platinum resistor used as a thermal scanner that receive heat energy, and in this way it acts like a thermometric substance. Yes, but actually it is not liquid. Simple resistor is found that used to measure heat energy present in the or temperature of the body. In the next video we discuss more. Thank you.